Our topic is Profit and Loss Appropriation Account. Before preparing Profit and Loss Appropriation Account, students must read the question carefully because sometimes there are some items given in the questions which will not take place in Profit and Loss Appropriation Account. Either these items will take place in Profit and Loss account or in Profit and Loss Adjustment account. So now we will understand that when we have to prepare Profit and Loss account, when we have to prepare Profit and Loss Appropriation account, and when we have to prepare Profit and Loss Adjustment account. Before preparing Profit and Loss Appropriation account or Profit and Loss account, a student must understand the difference between charge and appropriation. Charge is compulsory in nature. It means charge is a compulsory payment whether firm is in profit or loss. Examples are also given like rent, salary to employees, salary to manager, interest on loan, whatever loan it is, taken from bank or from a partner or from outsider. So this is a charge. Charge is a compulsory payment that you have to pay whether you are in profit or loss, that doesn't matter. All these items which comes under charge will take place in Profit and Loss account. Be careful when you are preparing your account. If you see any of the item comes under charge, will take place in Profit and Loss account, not in Profit and Loss Appropriation account. Appropriations, not compulsory in nature. Appropriations are made only when there is profit. Appropriations cannot be more than profit. In case of loss, no appropriation. Appropriation is the part of the profit which is distributed among the partners in the form of interest on capital, salary, bonus and commission. Be careful when you are doing the question. If there is no profit in the question, no partner will get interest on capital, salary, bonus, commission, because they are allowed to take anything from the profit only. And the one very important thing here is a partner cannot take anything before the charge. It means first you have to meet all the charges, then remaining profit will be shared among the partners in the form of appropriations. If any partners take, suppose A, B and C are partners, B takes salary before paying rent and salary to manager or interest on loan, then B is not allowed to take salary because rent, salary to manager and interest on loan is pending. So first from the full profit we will pay the charges and then the remaining profit will be shared among the partners in the form of appropriations. Partners will get appropriations only up to the profit, not more than that. Now I'll show you the Profit and Loss account. This is the format of Profit and Loss account. It will be prepared only when these items are given, like interest on loan, whatever loan it is. If loan is taken from bank, loan is taken from partner, loan is taken from outsiders, from anyone, interest will take place in Profit and Loss account only. So find out interest on loan and write in Profit and Loss account. Rent paid to partner or paid to outsider, that doesn't matter. Whenever you see rent in your question, it means it will take place in Profit and Loss account. Salary or commission payable to employees or manager is a charge, so it will also take place in Profit and Loss account. That's why I am writing here manager salary and manager commission. So these all are the charges which will take place in Profit and Loss account. This side we are writing by profit brought down, which is given in the question. This side I am writing all the charges. I am showing you only 3-4, but there might be some other items which are charged. So first, when you start the question, read carefully, is there appropriation or some charges are also given. So if charge is given, then write in profit and loss account. If appropriations are given, write in profit and loss appropriation account. After writing these charges in profit and loss account, you find out profit here, and then this profit you transfer to profit and loss appropriation account. When we prepare profit and loss appropriation account, as you can see now, profit and loss appropriation account, by profit brought down. So we brought down that profit here. Now we are going back to profit and loss account. If after writing all these charges here, your your profit and loss account is not showing profit, it shows loss, then what to do in that situation? Loss will never be transferred to the profit and loss appropriation account. So we will write loss here and will be shared by the partners here only. It means in that case, partners will not get anything in the form of appropriations. So in that situation, I will write here by loss transferred to the partners in their ratio. What is the share of A, what is the share of B, and they will share this loss in their profit sharing ratio. If profit sharing ratio is not given in the question, it means they will share that profit and loss in equal ratio, and there is no need to prepare profit and loss appropriation account. But if there is profit, as you can see here, this is the profit, then you transfer in profit and loss appropriation account. Now I am showing you profit and loss appropriation account. So this is the profit and loss appropriation account, in which you write profit first by profit brought down here. Then this side we write interest on drawings of the partners. If any fees or fine is charged from the partner for misconduct or for any legal, and this side we write transfer to reserve. Sometimes some part of profit is transferred to reserve. Suppose if I write here profit 50,000 and it is mentioned in the question that 10% of the profit is transferred to reserve. So 10% of this profit will be 5,000, which I will write here as first item. But be careful when you read this item transfer to reserve. Sometime it is mentioned that 10% of profit transfer to reserve. So I am transferring direct 10% of the profit to reserve. But sometime it is mentioned that transfer to reserve 10% of the profit, remaining profit, after charging interest on capital and salary, commission, etc. It means I will write transfer to reserve after these items. First I will pay interest on capital, partner's salary, and then bonus, and then remaining profit. After from this profit I will deduct interest on capital, salary, commission. So whatever profit is coming, 10% of that I will transfer to the reserve. So this item will take place. This item will take place at the end, as you can see here, to transfer to reserve now. Profit and loss appropriation account will never show loss, and appropriations will be shared among the partners only up to the profit. For example, if I say if I remove this, like my profit is only 50,000, and suppose I have to pay interest to A 30,000. Interest to B is 20,000 and interest to C is 30,000. Now see the total. Total is coming 80,000, but profit is only 50,000. So it is not possible that I was talking about. They will get appropriations only up to the profit. They can share only 50,000 because they have profit only 50,000, but amount due to them is 80,000. So in such a case, I'll make ratio of these appropriations 3 to 3, and then I'll share this 50,000 among the partners. It means they will not get 30, 20 and 30. They will get profit up to the appropriation only. For more detail, please see my book, Ultimate Book of Accountancy. There are some questions given when appropriations are more than the profits. But if it is mentioned in your question that they will get full amount of interest whether there is profit or loss, it means that item will become charge. And as you know, that charge we do not show in profit and loss appropriation account. So it means, like you can say this, I am preparing here profit and loss adjustment account, because profit and loss account is already prepared, and profit and loss appropriation I cannot prepare because now interest on capital is charged. It is mentioned in your question that they will get full interest on capital whether firm is in profit or loss. So A will get 40,000 interest, B will get 20,000 interest. Total interest I have to pay is 60,000, but profit is 40,000. So in such a case, there will be loss this side. So I am going to write here by loss transferred, to the partners. A and B. So 20,000 loss will be shared by the partners now. If ratio is not given, then they will share this loss as like 10,000 and 10,000. But if ratio is given in the question, then they will share this loss in their profit sharing ratio. And I'll write here 20,000. Now both sides are equal, as you can see here. So profit and loss adjustment account I am preparing because PL appropriation account will never show loss, and in PL appropriation account we distribute appropriations only up to the profit. But if it is mentioned in the question that appropriations are charged now, it means they will be paid whether there is profit or loss in the question. So in that situation they will get full amount 40,000, 20,000, but profit is 40 only. So in such a case we are transferring loss to the partners.